Hello everyone, welcome to the Doom Zone. Today's video is focused on reigniting your creative spark. There are moments in our lives where we encounter a loss of inspiration, and it can be extremely frustrating. However, don't worry, as I will provide some valuable tips to help you reignite that creative flame. 1. Get out of your comfort zone. It may simply be necessary to move out of your comfort zone to rekindle your creativity. Trying a new hobby or doing something that you have not done before may help you discover inspiration in unexpected ways. Remember, stepping out of your comfort zone is all about exploring the unknown and embracing the strange. 2. Take a break. It may sound counterproductive, but taking a break can actually help jumpstart your creative thinking. If you've been working on a project for a long time, your brain can get fatigued, and it becomes increasingly challenging to produce new concepts. Therefore, take a break, take a walk, or spend some quality time with your mates and relatives. You'll be surprised at how much a little rest can benefit your brain. 3. Collaborate with other creatives. Collaborating with other creatives is another way to reignite your creative spark. Working with those who share your enthusiasm and passion can result in new ideas and bring a fresh dimension to your work. As a result, grab a buddy or a fellow creator and join forces on a project. You never know what wonderful things may emerge as a result of your collaboration. 4. Keep a record of your ideas. This last suggestion is one that I find to be extremely useful. Whenever you come up with a creative idea, write it down right away. This allows you to revisit your concepts later when you're stuck and require some inspiration. In addition, keeping track of your creative ideas is always a good idea. It allows you to look back on your progress and see how far you've come. While these are common suggestions to get your creative sparks flying again, this list may very well go forever. With that being said, I would like to leave the stage to you. Have you tried any of these techniques? How did they work for you? What else have you tried? Let's get the discussion going and help reach as many of you who are in need as possible. Doom Zone over and out.